Just counting down to the market open should be, slightly higher, flattish, but not very definitive in that sense. Yesterday, of course, market sold off from daily averages. 24,600 is where the Nifty is at. It's flat, absolutely flat. Nifty Bank, I think, is also flattish, 0.1% or change. Sensex is flattish. Small cap index and mid cap index, maybe a little better, I think so. So 0.4, 0.5% odd on those indices right now. So not very much directionally right out of the gates. What do we have in terms of the market heat map? How many up and down on the Nifty at least? So it is kind of evenly split, more up though. And Eternal is one of the names we highlighted with news. It's on one end, and on the other end there is Infosys, which is starting. But these are just very, very first rates inside the first 1 minute in terms of market open. 24,600 on the Nifty. Surbi.
Okay, so it's all about food delivery and quick commerce. Eternal, 1.5% up, and Swiggy is moving up as well, slightly higher, 2%. Remember, Swiggy is anyway charging, I think, 12 rupees as platform fee. Eternal is caught up, and it's now at 12 rupees as well. M&M fell quite a bit yesterday. There were worries about what happens with the GST on EVs, etc. But the stock's recovering this morning, 2% higher. There's some buying in metal names, Tata Steel, Hindalco, both looking up. IndusInd Bank is slightly higher. TCS is reacting positively to that deal announcement, the 550 million deal that they've done in Europe. So that stock's up. SBI has started off at least with a 0.5% gain, and then it really fizzles out beyond that. On the downside, Infosys is the counter. ICICI Bank is the red counter on the lower side. So that's not letting the Nifty make any tangible move, even Lever for that matter. L&T, you have enough big boys who are choosing the red side of the screen this morning. So the net result is not much of a move at all, just about 18 points up on the index. Nigel.
Well, that's right. Some of the big movers that we're seeing this morning, one is UPL. They've undertaken internal restructuring, transferring its wholly owned subsidiary, Post-Harvest Solutions, that's Deco, business to Adventa, at an enterprise value of around $500 million. The street likes that, could potentially be laying the groundwork for some kind of monetization. So that's the way the street looks at it, and that's why that stock is up close to around 2%. The reason that TBO Tech is running away is because this acquisition helps them to foray into the North America market. It adds close to around 50% on the base revenues of last year, and on the EBITDA front, close to around a third. And the valuations as well that they've acquired this are pretty much attractive. So that's why that stock is running away. That's up close to around 10%. On the flip side, Indus Towers, foraying into a new market, she doesn't like that. They want to see dividend. And that's why that one's down close to around 5% as we speak. Another loser is Kirloskar Oil. I'm not sure what's gone on there. But that stock is a notable loser on the downside. And you have Vimta as well. Just pull up that stock. Yesterday it was flying away. It was up close to around 20%. Today as well, that stock is up and about in today's trading session, up another 6%. One of the top volume movers today. Add to the list, Ola Electric took a bit of a break yesterday. Today it's back to its winning base. So that stock as well, up 2.5%. Prashant.
Okay, I think, a lot's happening in terms of the opening rates.